Good morning, dear students. Let us discuss the first topic in our semester paper electromagnetism, that is electrostatics. Dear students, we will take this topic which is useful for both semester as well as PG entrance point of view. So let us discuss the very basic fundamentals of this topic, that is charge. Now, how a body can be charged? There are three methods of charging, and the first method is friction, second method is conduction, third method is induction. Now let us take the very first method, friction, second method conduction, third method induction. In all these three methods, that body is charged by the transfer of the electrons. Now how it happens, let us see. The very first method, friction, when one body is rubbed with another body, electrons transfer from one body to the other body. The body which loses electron will become positively charged body, and the body which gains electron will become negatively charged body. And in the second method, when a body is fully charged like this, when it is connected to a neutral body by means of a conductor, these charges will flow and this body will become positively charged body. And the total charge is shared by the two bodies. And in the third method, this is induction, this is the best method of charging. For example, this is a charged body, let us say. This is positively charged body, let us say. Now, when there is a neutral body brought to this body, in the neutral body we have again electrons and the positively charged nucleus. And due to this positively charged body, as it attracts negatively charged electrons, these electrons are polarized towards the positively charged body, and positive ions move away from here. That is, electrons are moved this side and positive side, positive ions are moved. That is, we can say it is polarized simply. That is, the electrons from this side will migrate to this side due to the attraction of the positively charged body. So then in the next step, if we ground this side, what happens? Earth is a huge body which has a number of electrons. It transfers electrons to these positively charged ions. Then this will become neutral. Then there remains excess electrons and this body will become a negatively charged body. This is how we will get a charged body. Now let us find a few properties of the charged bodies. Now the very first property, like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. This is first property. So like charges repel and unlike charges attract. Second one, charge is quantized. Charge is quantized. This is very most important property. If Q is the total charge on a body, then total charge on a body is equal to the integral multiple of the charge of the electron. If a body's charge is Q, then it should be integral multiple of charge of electron. That is, either charge is either 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron or 1000 electron or n number of electrons, but not half electron or quarter electron. That is either one electron transferred or no electron transferred. So such quantization, discrete charge levels is called charge is quantized. So this we can understand. Where n is the integer and E is the charge of electron. So total charge on a body is equal to n into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. This we can understand from this. Okay students, thank you. This is a very small introduction for this topic, and I wish you all the best for this forthcoming syllabus. Bye.